If you're looking for an all-natural way to improve your health, you should consider using essential oils. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 benefits of using essential oils. From improving your mood to reducing inflammation, these oils can do it all. So be sure to watch this video and learn more about how you can start using essential oils today. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. 1. Essential oils can help improve your mood and relieve stress. Essential oils can do wonders for your body. They're a wonderful way to relieve stress and they're great for your mental health. Some oils can even help your body heal itself. If you're curious about their benefits, here are a few more reasons to start using them today. Aromatherapy is the use of essential oils to relieve stress, to improve the quality of your sleep, and to promote happier, healthier living in your everyday life. Many people don't realize the physical benefits essential oils can have for your body and mind. 2. Essential oils can help improve your sleep quality. Have you ever been having problems sleeping? Or maybe you just wanted to relax and get a massage. Essential oils are the solution. Massaging your skin with certain essential oils can help improve how you sleep and how you feel. It's easy to do. Take a few drops of essential oil, place them in a bottle of water, and apply them to your skin. I wouldn't recommend doing this on your face. It may cause irritation. But it can be super helpful if done right. Remember to take it slow and don't apply too much. 2. 3 essential oils can help improve your skin health. If you're not using essential oils in your skincare routine, then you're missing out on the amazing benefits they can have on your skin. Essential oils can help repair damaged skin cells, moisturize your skin, reduce acne and make your skin smoother. By improving the health of your skin, you can fight against wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. Use a few drops of your favorite essential oil in your favorite moisturizer and gently massage it onto your skin. Doing this regularly can help you achieve the beautiful, youthful-looking skin you've always wanted. 3. 4. Essential oils can help improve your respiratory health. Essential oils promote a healthier, more productive lifestyle. Your body will thank you for incorporating them into your lifestyle. They are great for clearing sinuses in the throat. They help you become more alert and can improve your respiratory system so you can breathe easier, increasing your overall performance. Some of the best essential oils for your respiratory health are rosemary and eucalyptus. 4. 5. Essential oils can help improve your digestion. Essential oils can help improve your digestion and health, which makes it a wonderful product to have in your home. One of the most notable ways you can use these oils to help your health is by using them as a natural remedy for heartburn. Many people experience heartburn on a regular basis and often don't have the time or energy to treat it. For times like these, it's essential you keep a bottle of essential oil around. They're fast, effective, and natural, which makes them an excellent choice for people looking for an easy fix. Using essential oils can provide a variety of benefits for your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. If you are looking for an all-natural way to improve your well-being, consider using essential oils. Thanks for watching.